we define as resources for future generations. So the traditional model of resource use is kind of governed from the top down, like in a hierarchical model. For example, the big government, like the Environmental Protection Agency, dictates policy. This kind of comes down to the state. This kind of comes down to the community where the resources are, the local people, right? So centralized government, too big to fail, right? Okay, so one example of this is examining sustainable use of drinking water. An unfortunate legacy from the paper companies here in Kalamazoo is pollution of toxic waste. An issue immediately at hand is an uncontrolled pile of waste, which sits above the city's drinking water supply. All right, top down from the Environmental Protection Agency, cheapest solution right now, waste in place. Okay, local community, not so much, right? They have their own ideas. They want to, use this sustainability. And using this is actually cheaper in the long run, right? Better for future generations of people, better for government to get money. And how they facilitate change is by networks, right? So it's horizontal, people working with people. In particular, it's really a small world network structure which can be used to facilitate change. Small worlds means lots of local connections and fewer higher order connections. Okay? So for example, in this lower picture, there's a local singer-songwriter singing her song, and this song is actually serenaded to our Congressman Fred Upton, so it goes to higher order people. In this small world network structure, it's not new. You can see it throughout 3.8 billion years of evolution in gene networks, in the brain and metabolism. You can see it in communities and ecosystems. So, in conclusion, the core of sustainability and affecting change involves developing networks, and networks where individuals have a role is what makes a desirable and sustainable community. Thank you.